Everyone, in today's video, we will fix the Pine editor option not showing in TradingView. Enable the editor. So, to fix this problem, you can simply follow this step 1. The step 1 is you can simply use the desktop mode or the application version. Because sometimes on the web app means the website, once you open your chart, then after the Pine editor will not be showing in the sidebar. Okay, here you will see, wait, here is a Pine editor. So you can simply install the TradingView desktop application and mobile application and then check that the file editor is showing here or not. If showing here, it means there is a glitch in your website. So close the TradingView website completely and restart the browser and reopen the website again. Next step is to expand button panel. Editor may be hidden or collapsed. So on your chart screen, you can drag and drop the panel. Here you will see, means it will tell you the side panels, and then once you drag and drop the side panel, it will simply show the Pine editor here. So wait, I will simply close all kind of this section, and then after here you will see if the many cards available. You can simply find from here, like here you will see the product Pine editor and click on star. If the star is missing here, then it will not showing here. Okay, so you can simply click on this box, the circle, and then enable to show in the sidebar. Next step is log into your account. So Pine would not appear to a logout users. Many users facing a issue that they open the trading view, but after some time they will be logged out or facing any kind of problem. In that case, you are easily see chart and everything. You don't know you are logged out, but the Pine editor knows that you logged out. In that case, re-log in again. The next step is you can simple reset layout to default. Custom layout can hide the editor panel. So you can simple reset your chart settings. So you can simple click on setting icon. Now simple click on apply default and click on OK. And the last step is you can simple close the website, restart your PC or your laptop completely and reopen it again. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.